Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can fix the issue if your JBL Boombox 3 is not charging, and what are the things that you can do. So the first thing, of course, check the cable. If there is no damage, check the inside of the JBL where you're putting the cable. The port is okay if there is no any dirt, and also try to connect it to different the outlet on the wall. These are like, try to charge it elsewhere. These are the hardware things. Now to do things, if you can have it like turn it on, so have it turn on, and then what you want to do is you just want to hold the plus button and the play button at the same time for at least 10 seconds. So you can have it turn on, and then you're just gonna press and hold the power button and play button at the same time for about 10 seconds. You can press it and hold. And this is something that you can do, and it possibly can solve the issue with not charging the JBL Boombox 3. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.